Most people think the difference between rich and poor is luck or a high salary. It is not. It is 7 simple differences in how they think about money, time, and risk. Meet 2 stickmen. On the left is average Andy. He works hard every day, gets his paycheck, and still feels broke. On the right is wealthy Wyatt. He may work fewer hours, yet his money keeps growing. Difference number 1. Average Andy buys things that take money out of his pocket. Wealthy Wyatt buys things that put money into his pocket. Andy buys a new phone, a bigger car, and nice clothes. Wyatt buys assets that pay him.
Difference number 2. Andy trades his time for money. He only earns when he works. Wyatt builds systems that earn money even when he sleeps. Andy sells hours. Wyatt sells value. Difference number 3. Andy uses debt to buy things he wants now. Wyatt uses debt only if it helps him make more money. Andy feels rich when he spends. Wyatt feels rich when he owns. Difference number 4. Andy spends free time on entertainment. Wyatt spends free time learning skills that increase his value. Andy watches. Wyatt studies.
Difference number 5. Andy saves money in a normal bank account. Wyatt puts money into things that grow. Saving keeps money safe. Investing makes money grow. Difference number 6. Andy spends time with people who complain about money. Wyatt spends time with people who talk about growth and ideas. Your circle shapes your future. Difference number 7. Andy blames the economy, the government, or bad luck. Wyatt takes full ownership of his results. One feels powerless. The other feels in control. The difference is not luck. It is not a big salary. It is these 7 ways of thinking. You can start changing them today. If this video helped you see money differently, subscribe for more simple stickman money stories.